Welcome back. Let's do question 1.3. The data below shows the number of laptops sold by 15 sales agents during the last financial year. Calculate the interquartile range IQR. So our data set is already arranged in an ascending order, that is from the lowest value to the highest value. So how do we find the interquartile range? The interquartile range is equal to Q3, the upper quartile, minus Q1, the lower quartile. So we need to find the upper quartile and the lower quartile. Let's start by finding the positions of these two. So Q1, which is the lower quartile, Q1 position. This formula is giving us the position of the lower quartile, not the lower quartile. So it gives us the position. So it's going to be n plus 1 over 4, which is going to be 15 plus 1 over 4, which is 4. So it means Q1 is in the 4th position. You can also use 1 over 4, then n plus 1, still okay. And then the position of the upper quartile, we're getting the positions. Position of the upper quartile is 3, and then n plus 1 over 4, which is 3 times 15 plus 1 over 4, which is equal to 12th position. Okay, you can also use 3 over 4, then n plus 1. It's just the same thing. The lower quartile is the 4th position and the upper quartile 12th position. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the lower quartile. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the upper quartile. So therefore, the interquartile range is equal to 73 minus 46, which is equal to 27. That is the interquartile range.